Hey friends, hey y'all! I'm CoCoDenise. If you're new, I post videos on travel and then I sprinkle in a little fashion and lifestyle videos. Today's video, I'll be unboxing my new YSL. So here's the baby and I'll go ahead and show you the unboxing. So I was eyeballing the college bag and the envelope bag. So I got there and I didn't pick either one of those bags. And the reason is because the envelope bag, to me, the bag was too hard. I'm so used to soft bags now that I just decided not to go with the envelope bag. The number one reason why I didn't go with the bag is because when I put it crossbody, it stuck out. It didn't lay flat, and 95% of the time I'm wearing my bag as a crossbody, and I feel like for me that bag is more of a shoulder bag. So then I tried the college bag. College bag I absolutely loved. I liked the way it laid on my body. I liked that it had a back pocket and a handle, but they did not have my colorway. I wanted gray with silver hardware, and they do not make that bag anymore. That bag is discontinued at this time. So in order for me to get a gray bag with gray hardware, with silver hardware, I would have to purchase from a reseller. So that's probably something that I'm gonna look into doing. But anyway, let's get into what I actually got. The bag that I actually chose is the Niki Baby. I chose the Niki Baby, which is hilarious because I watched so many YSL videos and the Niki Baby was not a bag that I even thought of getting, because to me on camera the bag just looks regular. But when we were trying on the different bags, the SA was like, oh, the Niki Baby, that, you know, a lot of the SAs, that's the bag they choose, blah blah blah, beyond the bags that I already have. And she brought it out, and she brought the medium out, and as soon as I saw it I was like, oh, this bag is so beautiful, but it's too big. So then she brought out the Niki Baby. This is the one in the crinkle calfskin leather with antique gold hardware. So it's not the bright gold, it's just the antique gold, and the YSL is leather coated the same color, and this color is light caramel. So the straps are antique gold. The YSL is on the, come on, focus. The YSL is on the leather strap, which you need for your shoulder. It has a back pocket with magnetic closure. The back pocket is lined. It's black line. It's just like a fabric. Magnetic close in the front. It has the smaller pocket here, and then it has a bigger pocket with the split pocket in the back. Wish it had a zip pocket. The medium does have a zip pocket right there. It says it has Saint Laurent here, and then it also has Saint Laurent on the hardware, on the circles. Each one of them say Saint Laurent. They say Saint Laurent Paris. Let me see if anything's in the back. So no, it doesn't say anything in the back. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere else. This can be worn on your shoulder, and it can be worn crossbody. And then you can also wear this handheld. You just have to either tie the chains. Let me show you. So you can tie the chain here. So you can wear it handheld. I didn't tie it all the way, but this is how it would be. Tie the chain or get the, well, I'm gonna get the little clips, but you can wear it handheld for, like, you know, for outfits that are more dressier. And it does have the chevron too in the crinkle leather. You see that? Absolutely gorgeous. So let's get into the bag though. There's a scratch on the bag. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see the scratch, but there's a scratch right here. There's a scratch right here, and then right here, you see that there's a little piece of leather, a little piece of the stitching that is coming loose. So let me tell you about the essay. The essay told me that they had one brand new bag with Saint Laurent. When they give you the bag, they box it up in the back, and then they bring it out to you in, you know, already ready, and then they carry it to the door and they give it to you at the door and thank you for your services and, you know, walk you out or whatever. So you don't actually check the bag there. So when I got home, I checked the bag and I saw those two things, two issues. So I went ahead and I texted SA, and so she ordered me a new one and told me that she would let me know when the new one is in. So I will keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, yeah. So I can't even wear this bag yet. Isn't it beautiful? It is a gorgeous, I love this color. I love this color. But yeah, so I'm getting a new bag. I hope to have it next week sometime. Now I'm gonna show you guys what fits inside. I think this is funny. I wanna show you something before. So this is my Toy Lulu. Let me show you. If you ever wanted like a comparison between the two. Look at this. I can literally I can put the Toy Lulu in here. So we already know all my stuff is gonna fit. So first thing we have is my cell phone, which is gonna go in the back pocket. It hasn't been in the back pocket in a while. Cell phone. All right, I should have already took my stuff out. I know the rules by now. I'm gonna transfer the stuff from my Toy Lulu, and then I'll add some more stuff because, you know, it holds a lot more, but it still gives you that cute look that I like. All right, keys, hand sanitizer, card holder, pen, chapstick, another hand sanitizer, receipt, headphones. I have 2 coins, and I need to throw this away. I've had this in here for probably years. Okay, I still have all this room in here. This is what I would carry. So I have plenty of room. I actually don't have anything in this front pocket. So let's put this whole bottle of perfume. Oh my goodness, this holds a lot. I got this cocoa butter, body butter. So I put the perfume in the front part and put the body butter here. So that's pretty full. Let me show y'all. Let's see if it closes. All right, it closes. Oh, it looks even better when you fill it up too. Look at that. Let me show you the side, front, and then the back. It's heavier with that stuff in it, but I still feel like it's not too heavy for me. So what do you think? Do you think I picked the right bag? Comment down below on your favorite YSL bag. I feel like I slept on the Niki bag. I really slept on it. Like, I should have probably got this bag first. Yeah. If you've made it to the end, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment commenting on which bag is your favorite YSL bag. Do you think I made the right decision? And if you're already a subscriber, make sure you turn your notifications on so you know exactly when I post a video. Okay? Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.